boys, it is finally here. Oh my gosh, finally. Been waiting for this package. Let me open this up real quick. I got to freaking show you what's inside this freaking box. Oh boys, this, oh my freaking gosh, this is freaking crazy. This looks so freaking good. Oh man, hold up. Oh my gosh, bro, look at this. Whew. I can't even open it. Oh my goodness. What? Yo, what? This is freaking crazy. Gosh, guys, these things are fucking huge. Look at this. That is freaking crazy. Damn. Oh my god. Guys, I am freaking juiced. Like, look how big these things are. Oh my god. I haven't even made the intro yet to the video. Jesus Christ, man. Oh my god. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we started the video by opening a freaking little care package that I've been wanting to put on this car for such a long time. And I know a lot of you guys are probably like, yo, just tips? Like, you're super excited about tips. But guys, oh my, look at these. These are freaking beautiful. So freaking beautiful, and they look so damn good. They're gonna look so good. I'm hyped. You know, us car guys with little stuff like this is hyped. I already want to go see. Let's go freaking see. Kind of like a little estimate on how it would look. Don't know if this is the left one or right. So look at that, guys. That's my old ones. Oh my god, those gonna be freaking crazy. That's freaking crazy. Oh my god, I'm freaking hyped. I'm freaking hyped. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what we're gonna be even doing, but now you can tell. But yes, guys, we are actually gonna be putting these tips on the freaking 5.0. It's gonna look so freaking good. I've been wanting to do this, like I've been telling you guys, for a pretty long time. I really do not like the tips that my car currently has. When I got this thing done and stuff, you know, I really wasn't aware of like how big you could go on tips and just, you know, how to make it look so much better. And I just been seeing photos and videos on Instagram of like Corsas and how big they are and how freaking nice they look. And as you guys can see right here, these are my current tips. So they're kind of like a matte black, you know, type of look. And they were super cool, don't get me wrong. When I got them done at the shop, you know, the guy was convincing me to, and I got a super good deal on it, so I couldn't really pass it up. And I didn't really know about like all these other stuff that you could do, or, you know, just order this and go get it done, you know, like none of that. So I was sold on it. You know, I just wanted my car loud, and I got these black ones, which are pretty cool, you know, don't get me wrong, they're super cool. 2 on each side, so that was really good for this, you know, year and car and everything. But guys, honestly, getting with it, I don't like them no more. I don't like how small they are. These are like, I would say like 3, maybe 3 inch maybe. So they are super small. I do not like how the guy kind of like welded them on like so tucked in. I even told him that day that I wanted him to stick out a little bit, but he obviously didn't listen. So, you know, I just wasn't, honestly, I'm not hyped about them no more at all. And then if you guys can see, I don't know if the camera can pick, yeah, it's like peeling off. So the thing is with these black ones is obviously, you know, you're getting on the car, you're driving it, it gets hot, the exhaust gets really super hot. So I was aware that it was gonna peel off, but it's just like now I'm like, all right, it's peeling off, it's time to go freaking change these tips that I don't even like anymore. They're just so small, they're just not it, and I want them to like stick out even more and like a good fitment. Super dope. So guys, let's go see what the shop tells us, and maybe we can get these bad boys installed today. Let's get it. Sheesh. Let's go see what they say, boys. All right, you guys, so I didn't get the car backing out of the shop, whatever. I was just talking to the guy right there, super cool guy, really gave me a super good price. I was just like excited to, like, you know, look at the whole tips and everything. So I didn't get it backing up, but we are here now. Came to a little spot, sorry about the wind noise, and it's time to show you guys exactly how the tips came out, and hopefully the camera does it justice. I don't think it is, just because of like the sun way hitting it, but I'll try to like move the car around, if not show you guys more at the house. But here it is. Bam, guys, look at that. Hopefully the camera can pick that up, but oh my gosh, these tips are freaking gorgeous. I freaking love it. Look at this rear end now. It's looking so freaking nice. The poke is literally how I wanted it. It is like just perfect. If you guys can see it from this type of view, it's like literally just sticking out perfectly right there, and it looks freaking good. Oh my god, it just looks so much more aggressive. How like a little thing like that, just bigger tips, can make the whole car look so much more better. Oh my gosh, this looks so freaking good. Let me know what you guys think, guys, because this looks so freaking good, and I'm just super happy how it came out. I'm super happy with like how cool the guy was. He was able to work with me, and man, this looks so freaking good. Oh, I love it. I just freaking love it. And it honestly, it even sounds like there's not too much like drone in the inside now. Sorry about the wind noise. I know it's gonna be hecka loud on the camera, but it literally sounds like less droney on the inside. I don't know if maybe I might just be tripping, I don't know, but it literally does. I've been getting on it while driving over here and stuff, and it does not sound how it did sound before. And it sounds, I don't know, if it sounds like even like a little bit better. I don't know, I might be, who knows, but it looks so freaking good. I freaking love how these freaking tips came out. What you guys think, guys? This thing looks freaking good. Look at that ruby red paint right now, shining, looking super good. I want to show you guys exactly how it looks from like the side, because I feel like the way the sun's hitting it and stuff. So I'll show you guys probably when like I get home or something too. But man, this looks so good, and it was so much cheaper than what like other shops were like quoting me and getting whole new tips. And like I know Corsa tips and Borla tips are like super expensive. I literally got these online for like $100, both of them, 100 and something, and they look so freaking good. I love how they came out. It looks just so mean. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go take it to the house, obviously, and show you guys a little bit better, because I feel like the sun is just not hitting it right now. And yeah, and maybe even show you guys later at the end, you know, like at nighttime under the gas station lighting. You know I love to do that, guys, come on now. But yeah, so let's go. Bam. And just like that, guys, like I said, we are here under that beautiful lighting, so I could finally do the outro and show you guys exactly how they came out and just what I think. Look at this. Oh man, that looks freaking good. Same thing with the lighting though. Don't know if it's really hitting it at its best, but they're poking, guys. They're poking, and they're looking freaking great. Those 4-inch tips were so worth it. I freaking love that I did that, guys. And it is a super cheaper way to go. You know, Corsas and Borlas are like just super expensive. Just even like the tips, or just like the axle backs, are super expensive. And if you guys aren't too familiar, this is basically, it has an X pipe and then it has a muffler delete, and so basically like almost straight pipe. And just put some 4-inch tips, and guys, they look so freaking good. Like I love how the rear end looks now. It looks so much more aggressive, it looks so much more meaner, and it's just a lot cheaper. So I freaking love the job. The guy did an amazing job. He was super cool and everything, so appreciate it. And it came out freaking awesome. I'm just super hyped, because that was a mod that I had coming in the mail, and I was freaking excited, man, because those tips had to go. I did not like the old tips anymore. They were just not it, and I really love how these really came out. They look so freaking dope, and I'm just super happy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, if you guys are still watching, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe. Grab yourself some if you guys really like this type of route that I went. I think honestly this is the most affordable and like super good looking route, and it's not expensive at all. So I think it's super good. That really gets a pass for me, and I did it. So now you guys can see what just adding some tips can really do, really change the whole rear end of the car and just the whole look. So it's freaking awesome. I appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next time. Peace.